In this video, I will show you how to convert TS to MP4 file with VLC Media Player. If you haven't already, go to the official site to download the player based on your operating system. Once downloaded and installed, go to your VLC Media Player. Head to the top left corner and select Media. Then look for Convert/Save and click on it. This will open a new menu. Click on the Add button and select the TS file you want to convert. Click Open and then select Convert/Save. Now go to the Profile section and click on the third box on the right side to create a new profile. Input a name for the conversion. After that, select the MP4/MOV option. Then, head to the Video Codec tab and check the video box. Change the codec to H.264 and then change the bitrate to 0, which will turn into Not Used. Then click on Create. Now, go to the destination file and select where you want to place the converted file. I will be choosing my Downloads folder in this example. Create a name for the file and click on Save. Go ahead and click on Start. The file will be converted, and you can find the MP4 file in the Downloads folder. Thanks for watching.